Today I am giving you a tour of 6418 West Laredo Street in Chandler, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Chandler, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Chandler. Discover this charming single-level residence nestled in the sought-after West Chandler neighborhood. This home features a spacious great room seamlessly connected to an inviting eat-in kitchen. Situated in close proximity to the picturesque South Mountain Park and Preserve, residents can enjoy a plethora of outdoor activities. The home is also conveniently located minutes from the Loop 202, offering easy access to the I-10 freeway for seamless commuting. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Boasting 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, the well-designed split floor plan ensures privacy, with the primary bedroom offering an ensuite bathroom for added convenience. Thanks for watching today's tour of this beautiful home in Chandler. Have a wonderful day.